In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your BOTM IBAN number. First, sign in and open the BOTM app. You will see the login screen right away. Enter your credentials carefully. You need to ensure you have the correct username and password. This step is crucial for accessing your account securely. Once you are logged in, the app will load your main dashboard. Here, you'll find various features and options. It is essential to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Knowing where everything is will save you time later. Next, tap on the Me option. This is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping Me takes you to your personal account settings. You will see your profile information and other settings related to your account. This is where you can manage your personal details and payment settings. It is important to navigate to this section to find the information you need regarding your IBAN number. From there, tap on Payment Settings. This option will guide you to all the financial settings related to your BOTM account. You will notice various categories for managing your payments. This is significant because it ensures you can handle your financial transactions smoothly. Once you are in the payment settings, you are one step closer to finding your IBAN number. After that, look for the section labeled Accounts and Payments. This section typically includes all the details related to your account balances and payment methods. Tapping on this will open up more options for you. It is a straightforward way to access financial information that is vital for making transactions. You are now getting closer to the specific details you need. Next, click on Account Details. Here you will find a summary of your account, including your IBAN number. This area is crucial for anyone needing to make transfers or receive money. It is a good practice to check this information regularly to keep your records accurate. You should see a clear layout of your account details, making it easy to locate the IBAN number you are seeking. Now, tap on Balance. This will show you your current account balance and related details. In this section, you will also find your IBAN number displayed prominently. This is the moment when you can finally view your IBAN. It is important to keep your IBAN number safe as it is essential for transactions involving your account. Once you have found your IBAN, you may want to copy it for your records. Tap Copy to copy your IBAN if needed. This action allows you to save the IBAN to your clipboard easily. You can then paste it wherever you need to use it, such as in bank transfers or other financial applications. It is a handy feature that saves time and helps avoid any errors when entering the number manually. With that, you have successfully located your BOTM IBAN number. Remember to keep it secure and share it only with trusted parties. This keeps your account information safe and prevents any unauthorized access. Thank you for following along. You now know how to find your BOTM IBAN number effortlessly.